Most people get this wrong when they hear about WealthRise. They see screenshots of huge profits, watch flashy videos promising easy money, and think they've found the next big earning app. Then, a few days later, they're asking the same question you're probably asking right now. Is WealthRise legit, or is it a scam? Here's the truth, no one tells you. Just because an app shows earnings on a dashboard, does not mean you'll actually get paid. And in this video, I'm going to break down exactly what WealthRise is, how it works, how people make money on it, the biggest red flags to watch for, and whether it's actually worth your time or money. So let's get straight into it. First, what is WealthRise? WealthRise appears to be an online earning platform, investment app, or referral-based income platform depending on how it is currently operating. Some users join to invest money. Some join to complete tasks. Some join mainly for referral commissions. And others join because they saw social media promotions. The exact features can change over time. But the main promise is usually the same. Earn money online. Fast. Easy. And that's where people get interested. But here's the problem. Easy money is often where scams begin. So before joining any platform like WealthRise, you need to understand how it works. In many cases, platforms like this offer earnings in one or more of these ways. Investment plans, daily returns, referral bonuses, task-based earnings, affiliate commissions, or rewards for inviting others. For example, Alex deposits $100 into a plan, promising daily profits. Jake doesn't invest but earns commissions by inviting friends. John completes tasks and builds account balance slowly. Each user may have a different experience. Now here's where it gets interesting. The most important question is not, can you earn? It's, can you withdraw? This is where most people fail. A platform may show profits on screen. But if withdrawals are delayed, blocked, or impossible, that changes everything. So one of the first things you should check is whether users are actually withdrawing successfully. Are people posting real proof? Are withdrawals being processed consistently? Or are there many complaints? Because this matters more than flashy earnings screenshots. Now let's talk about signs WealthRise may be legit. A legitimate platform often has clear company information, transparent payment system, real customer support, working withdrawals, no unrealistic guarantees, reasonable earning claims. For example, if a platform says you can earn 2 to 5% yearly, that may sound more realistic. If it promises 10% daily forever, that's suspicious. Now here's the problem. Many questionable platforms use fake urgency. They say things like, join now before slots are full, limited time investment offer, guaranteed returns. That creates pressure. And pressure often leads to bad decisions. This is where most people fail. They rush in. Now let's talk about red flags. Red flag number 1. Guaranteed profits. No real investment guarantees, fixed profits. Especially high profits. Red flag number 2. Heavy focus on referrals. If most earnings come from bringing in new users instead of actual products or services, be careful. That can resemble a pyramid-style system. Red flag number 3. Withdrawal complaints. If many users say payments are delayed or blocked, that's a warning sign. Red flag number 4. No clear company information. If you can't find who owns the company, that's risky. Red flag number 5. Pressure to deposit more money. For example, Alex starts with $50. Then he's told to deposit more to unlock bigger profits. That's common in risky platforms. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Some platforms pay early users. This builds trust. Then later, withdrawals slow or stop. This is common in unsustainable systems. For example, Jake joins early and gets paid. He tells friends. They join. Later, the platform struggles. Withdrawals freeze. That's how some schemes grow. Now in a minute, I'll show you the smartest way to test a platform like WealthRise safely. Because this can save you money. Before that, let's talk about real earning expectations. A lot of videos exaggerate. You may hear claims like, I made $500 in one day. Maybe. But often misleading. That may include referrals, large deposits, or fake screenshots. A more realistic outcome depends on the platform model. If it's task-based, earnings may be slow. If it's referral-based, income depends on your network. If it's investment-based, returns depend on the actual business model. Now here's the problem. If the business model is unclear, the risk is higher. Always ask this question. Where does the money come from? If the answer is unclear, be careful. Now let's talk about withdrawals. Because this is the real test. Can you withdraw from WealthRise? Some users may report successful withdrawals. Others may report delays. That's why a small test withdrawal is smart. For example, John earns $20. He withdraws $10 first. It works. That builds confidence. Then, he withdraws more later. Small tests reduce risk. Now here's the smartest way to test WealthRise. Step 1. Join for free if possible. Step 2. Do not deposit large amounts. Step 3. Test small tasks or small investment. Step 4. Dive in. Request a small withdrawal. Step 5. See if it works. Simple. And safer. Now let's talk about customer support. A legitimate platform should have working support. Email, help, center, or social channels. If support never responds, that's another warning sign. For example, Alex has a pending withdrawal. He contacts support. No response for weeks. That's not a good sign. Now here's where it gets interesting. Some platforms use fake testimonials, fake payment screenshots, fake reviews, paid promotions. So don't trust every review you see online. Look for consistent feedback from multiple real users. Now let's answer the big question. Is WealthRise legit or a scam? The honest answer is, it depends on the platform's current behavior. If users are earning and withdrawing consistently, it may be operating legitimately for now. If withdrawals are delayed, blocked, or the platform relies heavily on new deposits, that's risky and possibly unsustainable. So the safest approach is caution. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Never trust guaranteed profits. And always test withdrawals first. Now here's the easiest checklist before using WealthRise. Check reviews. Check withdrawal proof. Check company information. Check support. Check business model. Test small amounts. Withdraw early. Simple. Naive. And smart. Now let's compare two users. Alex deposits $500 immediately. He trusts the hype. What? Later, withdrawals are delayed. He panics. Jake starts with zero or a very small amount. Tests the system. Withdraws early. He reduces risk. Jake uses strategy. Alex uses emotion. This is where most people fail. Emotion over logic. Now let's quickly recap. WealthRise may offer ways to earn through investments, tasks, or referrals. But earnings shown on screen do not guarantee payment. The real test is successful withdrawals. Watch for red flags. Test small amounts. Avoid guaranteed profit claims. Use caution. Now you're smarter than most people looking at WealthRise. You know what to check. You know what to avoid. And you know how to reduce risk. If this review helped you decide whether WealthRise is legit or a scam, hit the like button. Comment below with your experience using WealthRise or if you've successfully withdrawn. And if you want more honest app reviews, withdrawal guides, and online earning videos, subscribe now so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.